in, let's have you lay down here. So we're having some migraines and back and shoulder pain then, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we'll start here and start with the low back edge. It seems the right hip, or no, yeah, the left side here, that was off. And you had a lot of stuff between the shoulder blades too, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, right here. That was it. So it was the right side. Let's lay this side up here facing me. Lay your side. Okay, this side. Let me see that real quick. That wasn't too bad, was it?
Nope.
No, you're doing good. I'm gonna bring this arm up, this leg up here, just like that. Okay. And we do feel like there's some tightness here, like the IT bands. And that, is that ticklish? Was that
A little bit ticklish.
Yeah, so we have that right there. So usually that's pretty tight right there. So your glutes. So if you've been working out or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just gotta get that massaged out. Let's get your back here. There we go. That was it. Okay. Let's have you scoot all the way down to the end there, and we do the Y straps. Remember that. Let's talk about that gap between the first vertebrae and your neck is really tight. This is gonna help open that up. Release some pressure, give out those migraines and stuff. Let's lay on your back all day. Have you seen videos of this or anything? Have you?
I've seen a couple videos
Okay,
and stuff.
your sister or anything explain it to you?
My mom did.
Oh, okay. So it can feel a little unnerving when we're doing it, but afterwards, you know, most everybody says they love it and it feels good. I think you're gonna be good. I mean, you're young and you're healthy. So I'm gonna come up here. Just gonna do about 8 or so light pulls, and then one, you know, a little bit bigger pull at the end. Sometimes you hear some noise in there. Okay, you felt that right? And when you do one more, that C2, adjust your C2. This one was off on that X-ray. Okay, look to the left. Okay, that was it there. Let's come on up then. Is that doing okay?
Yeah.
I know it's a lot of movement and stuff. Sometimes people might feel, you know, a little like dizzy or something the first time. You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
All right, we'll go with that, and that should do it then.